Doing this install video for the FLO Motorsports levers for Harley Davidson models. We're doing this on my 2016 Road Glide Special. Okay guys, so we got this out. You need to loosen your switch housing with your T25 Torx. Use a T27 Torx to loosen the brake master cylinder housing. Snap ring pliers to take out the pin. And boom, your lever is now out. So we got the lever on. Let me show you how this adjuster works. Now first, see, this is the unbreakable part. You crash, this thing can bend all the way forward, it's not going to break, okay? Now, right here is the adjuster. What this is doing is turning that little pin in and out, which is going to move your lever forward or back. So depending on how you like your pull, you can adjust it like that. Okay, so now on the clutch side, it's gonna be the same as the brake side. But before I took this off, I wanted to show kind of like the stock. This is how much it moves stock, which is about what it is with the FLO. So if you don't have an issue with how they are with stock, you shouldn't have an issue with these aftermarket ones. They're actually a really good fit. So the same thing, you have to take out this snap ring under here to pull that pin out. I'm going to use both hands this time so that thing doesn't snap away. They're under tension when you're taking them off, so if you really don't hold them, they're going to fling and you're going to be looking all over the shop. The clutch side is a little bit easier than the brake side. Once you take off the snap ring on the bottom, you just push this pin out and levers out just like that. Pop in your new FLO one with its fresh bushing. So we got the clutch side installed. You can see, same thing, the unbreakable design will fold all the way forward. You have the adjustment here for your lever pull, get it how you want it. I really like how the slender kind of lever feels in the hand compared to the big fat stock ones. Check these things out. They're 150 bucks for the set. We have them available on bulletproofcycles.com and we are trying to keep them in stock in our store. Shoot us a DM, phone call, email. If you have questions, install issues, we're happy to help. Thanks guys.